Want to take your streams to the next level? In this video, I'll show you how to set up a Just Chatting overlay in OBS Studio, step by step, so you can keep your audience engaged. This will be quick and easy, so let's dive right in. Step 1. Setting up the scene first. Open OBS Studio and navigate to the Scenes panel. Click the plus icon to create a new scene, and name it Just Chatting. Press OK to confirm. This will be the foundation where all the magic happens. Step 2. Adding the Just Chatting overlay. Next, we need to add your Just Chatting overlay. Head to the Sources section and click the plus icon. Select either Media Source for animated overlays or Image for static ones. If you don't have a custom overlay yet, check out the selection at greatvtubers.com. You'll find everything from animated overlays to VTuber assets that perfectly suit your style. Whether you need something minimalist or eye-catching, we've got it. Step 3. Setting up your webcam. Now, let's add your webcam. In the Sources section, click the plus icon again and select Video Capture Device. Choose your webcam or camera, name it something memorable, and click OK. If your webcam is out of frame, you can easily resize and position it within the overlay to fit perfectly. Step 4. Locking your layout. After adjusting your webcam and overlay, be sure to lock both sources to prevent any accidental shifts during your stream. Simply click the lock icon next to each source. Step 5. Adding your chat and other sources. For the final touch, let's add your chat. You can do this by selecting Browser Source, then pasting in your chat link from your streaming platform. Position it neatly within your overlay to keep your audience engaged. And that's it! Now you've got a professional-looking Just Chatting scene ready to go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Happy streaming! Thanks for watching! Explore more assets at greatvtubers.com to make your stream stand out. Link in the description.